Good morning to everyone. My name is Ramesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Soundarya Institute of Management and Science, Bangalore. Previous video, I explained two problems, tabulation method. Okay, now another one problem. I'll explain it. Out of total number of 10,000 candidates who have applied for jobs in a government department, 6854 were males, 3146 were graduates, and other were non-graduates. The number of candidates with some experience is 2623, of whom 1860 were males. The number of male graduates was 2012. The number of graduates with experience was 1093. That includes 323 females. Tabulate the above information. Here, information which is given: male, female, graduates, and then non-graduates, and then experience, non-experiences. There are three sets: male and female. That is gender, graduates, experiences. So three information I already explained in the previous video. Two will be column basis, one will be row basis. Now we will consider generally used year, male, graduates and all column basis. Whatever left out, then you can use it as row basis. Now male, graduates will be column basis, experience row basis. Look at that table. What is the method we followed? This is the one. Got it? Male under that, graduate, non-graduate, total. Female under that, graduate, non-graduate, total. Total under that, graduate, non-graduate, total. So one by one, how to fill according to the given information. Look at that. Out of we have total number of 10,000 candidate. See that 10,000. Come to the next one. Who applied for jobs in a government department, 6854. According to the color matches, look at that where it is given. Male equal to 6854. Total male is given. Then come to the next one. Female 10,000 minus male. So female will come. Look at that. How much has been given? Based on the color, I am matching. Then 3146 were graduates and others were non-graduate. Graduates how much? 3146. Graduate total will be given. Come to the next part. Non-graduate 10,000 minus 3146. Non-graduates you can found that. This is the one. What is that? Total minus graduates will get it in this format. Clear? Then come to this is a slides. Next slide. Look at that. What already information. Now the number of candidates with experience 2623. Look at that. Without experience or unexperienced, we can find out. In which 1860 were males. In which 1860 are male. So candidates with unexperienced. Unexperienced how much? 10,000 minus 2623 will get. Then total number of male graduates 2012. Look at that. So likewise will be all the information we got it. Then some more information. Male non-graduate, male total minus male graduates can take 6842. Then female graduates, graduate total minus male graduate. Likewise, each places we can make one by one values. So female non-graduate equal to female total minus female graduates we can find out. So likewise, any one of the information is getting, then you can find out. Number of graduate with experience 1093. That includes 323 females. Look at that. Here you can check male total or graduate non-graduate. Then similarly female, three part dividing male, female, total. The three part individually you take wherever two values are given, we can find out other values. Likewise, we can repeat that entire other values can be completed. See that? We can find out So in this way we can find out remaining is missing values can be found. See that 3146 minus 1093 2053. So remaining all the values can be found. So finally you will get the same way you can proceed. You will get the complete table. This is another one of the problem because it's take long time. That's the reason wherever we need to understand we can give it. Here three values consider. You need two if you know we can find out. Like that we can follow other values will get it. Come to the next problem. Here is given. It is a total non-vegetarian, vegetarian like that is given. What is that? First one look at that. See that 2010 and 11 column. And then male, female, total, vegetarian, non-vegetarian. This is the one. Now look at that 750. 750 were non-vegetarians. You got it. Then 120 were vegetarian customers. 1250. Then in total there were 550 male non-vegetarian customer. Question read according to that answer will get it. Then 300 female vegetarian customers. It is 2010. So these are the four values you got it. Based on that remaining values you can find out. Look at that. We got total 1250 plus 750 we got it. Then 1250 minus 300. Then here I will get 500 to get it. See that 1500 add it, then you can get this value. Then 500 minus 300 will get. So we will find the completed 2010. Come to the 2011. Total number of customers increased by 25. What is 2000 is in that 25% increased, then 500 will come 25% plus 2000 will get 2500. And then while non-vegetarian customers increased by 20%, non-vegetarian 750, 20% of that 150. So 150 plus 750 you'll get it 900. Then in all there were 1700 male customers. Male customer total is 1700. In that 650 were vegetarians. So remaining we can fill 1700 minus 650 will get 1050. Yeah. Then 2500 minus 1700 will get 800. Then 2500 minus 900 will get 1600. Here see female is left out. You can male and total you can follow one by one. 1600 minus 1050 will get 550. 900 minus 650 will get 250. Or you can find out 800 minus 550 also. Either this method or that method we can follow. Okay, this is a one setup. We'll see in the next video.